Thank you for joining me in this live. Yes, we are live now. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe. Join me in this platform. Join me in this page. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like the video, comment, and share. Tell me what you think about the video as we discuss about what is concerning our people. Yes, this is a late hour broadcast. I have to quickly rush into many things that we need to discuss today. As we all know, it is very clear that PM Biafra Minister is doing a great job. He have announced the emergency meeting that was held today with Biafran resistant fighters and in the homeland. So the outcome of the meeting is what we want to discuss about, and the decision that some oil company have made by listening to the instruction from the government, Biafran government in exile, that for them to continue the operation in the land, they need to get license from Biafran government. That was the condition that PM gave to them, and Shell have announced their departure. They said they are going to leave the country because of the instruction that are given to them. Because for them to meet the targets, they need to, for them to continue the operation, they need to follow the instruction from the Biafran government in exile. They are working on the Nigerian government. So it is very, very clear that people they are working for is Nigerian government, but due to the sudden changes in the turnout of the event in Biafra land, it has become imperative that every foreign companies and foreign investors in the land need to know the location where they operate. Biafran people are now, they have reason to, protect their livelihoods. The emancipation of Biafran freedom is that is utmost goal that everybody wants to get. Mas Namakan is still in DSS, and people are doing all they can to see if he will be released, especially the Biafran government in exile that are doing the needful. Some people may not like the activities of Biafran government in exile, especially people that are not from Biafrans. But you need to understand that I don't think it is about hate, and it's not about where you come from. It is not about divide or division or hatred about any other tribe and all that. But this is just a fight for survival. Yeah, different government in exile are doing a great job. As different prime minister have announced the outcome of the meeting. He says, breaking, we just concluded an emergency security meeting of Biafran resistant fighters today, 16th January 2024. So let me continue this because we need to get it clear. Okay. We need to get it clear. We need to get it clear. Just give me some minutes. Give me some minutes. Give me some minutes. Okay. We are public at the moment. We are live. I think my setting was not confirmed yet, but I have done that. Okay, because I see that people are not coming online, so I have to check my status, and I found out that it was private and now it's public. Okay, let's go. Sorry for that. So, like I was saying, that we just concluded an emergency. This is Prime Minister of Biafran government in exile writing. We just concluded an emergency security meeting of the Biafran resistant fighter today, 16th of January 2024, and passed the following resolution. First, to intensify the economic strangulation of the Islamic State of Nigeria by making sure that the Biafran government and its forces stop all oil exploitation, and exploration within Biafran territory. This must be achieved during the first quarter of the year 2024. The second resolution says every commander must intensify the delegitimization of Nigerian terrorist headquarters. Okay, let me take it again. Every commander must intensify the delegitimization of Nigerian terrorist army, okay, police, and other terrorists in uniform at their various zones. And this must start happening from the last week of January 2024. Biafran citizens must continue to stay away from barracks and checkpoints. This is Biafran government in exile uh, press release through Biafran Minister Simon Ekpa. So why am I responding and reacting to this news? Because people are still confused about the way to go. What are you supposed to do? What is happening? Is it needed? Is it what you need? Is that how to go? Is that what we should do at the moment? Yes, it is. We all know that many things is happening in the country. Nigeria is made up of different ethnic groups, and most of those groups have kind of their own interests, not the country's interest. Because when you want to unite different people together, you have to identify the kind of country you have, the achievement issue. The goal should be for the entire country, not one section of the people, one group, one ethnic group, and all that. For example, when Buhari was the president of Nigeria, the Fulanis refused to criticize any of his activities, whether he's getting it right or not. They want to make sure that they dominate everything. They want to make sure that whatever that he does is the best. That is what Yoruba people are doing as well. So Igbos have been sidelined for years, for ages, simply because of Biafran Nigerian War, 1967 and all that, 1967 to 1970. Now, having listened to the statement of Biafran government in exile through the Biafran Prime Minister, what they said, oh, brother, welcome.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Welcome, welcome. Good evening to you.
Yeah,
How are you today?
I'm okay, sir.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Sorry for the late.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I was even having a little bit delay from my own side, but I thank God everything is now working properly. So
Okay,
I was laying a background about the topic. So
okay,
let me complete it, then I will come back to you.
okay,
Okay. So like as I was saying, the share company decided to leave Nigeria today is not by surprise. It is the activities of Biafra government in exile forcing things on them. And if Biafran government in exile is not in existence, and if Mazen Kano is not here, maybe did not preach or expose what the agenda of Islamization and the agenda of Nigerian, what everything that's happening today have been said by Mazen Kano. Although we don't, many of us don't take him serious until the thing get to everybody's neck. So we are now looking for a help, looking for a helper. And after the kidnap of Mazen Kano, Simon Ekpa have been doing a very great job, making sure that everything is in place to stop the Islamization and the jihadist movement. Had it been that someone is not here, Share would have been operating peacefully without anybody questioning them, just like other companies as well. But from the instruction from Biafran government in exile, it is very clear. They cannot say that we don't, if somebody is making noise, we don't know who is talking. It is now Biafran government in exile telling them what they have to do. If they want to operation in Biafran land, they need to get license from Biafrans. Now, PM posted this and says, it is happening. You can leave immediately. Come to United States of Biafra and we will give condition and good environment for business. Other oil companies that are still doing strong head and coconut head will regret
Yeah.
it at the end. So he attached it with a post from People's Gazette, a platform, a news platform as well. And the headline in that news platform says, Shell exists oil exploitation in Nigeria, announces sales of offshore uh, subsidiary, meaning that they are packing their bags. They are packing their bags, and other companies have been warned as well. It is not a threat. Listen, this is not Boko Haram talking. No, this is government talking. Biafran government in Israel is at work. And like I told you initially, the outcome of the resolution executive emergency meeting held by Biafran Prime Minister and Biafran resistance fighters. I read it. I will read it again for those who joined who joined us at the moment, who did not follow us in the beginning. The news have it that PM said, breaking. We just concluded an emergency security meeting of the Biafran resistance fighter today, 16th January 2024, and passed the following resolution. One, to intensify the economic strangulation of this Islamic State of Nigeria by making sure that the Biafran government and its forces stop all oil exploitation and exploration within Biafran territory. This must be achieved within the first quarter of 2024. Second resolution says, every commander must intensify the delegitimization of Nigerian terrorist army, police, and other terrorists in uniform at the first at their various zones. And this must start happening from the last way, from barracks and checkpoints. This is very clear message, not only for the Nigerian government, not only for commanders in Biafran armed forces, but also for civilians, Biafran civilians, to stay away from those uh, places that have been mentioned, which is barrack and checkpoint. It is for your own good. For those who are hawking, who are selling, roadside traders, don't allow anybody to lure you to danger zone. It is very, very important. It is better you keep the instructions to avoid problem. There's another graphic message on his page where a Nigerian security agent decided to take his life. These are the frustration because the country Nigeria is heading to heaven knows where, because a lot is happening. We don't know. We just wake up and hear another news, and somebody is telling me, is trying to convince us that the country will somehow someday become better. I don't think so. Thank you so much, brother. Sorry for keeping you waiting. What do you think about the headline? Because it's very, very clear now that things are moving forward.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for me in the life. My name
Yeah,
is Madu Chimapa. Are you hearing
yeah,
me?
welcome, my brother.
Yeah, are you hearing me? My name is Madu Chimapa.
Yeah, I
Thank
can
you.
hear you. Welcome.
So let's ask ourselves what is share and who is the founder and when this share started operating in Nigeria and which state in Nigeria and which side in Nigeria and which region in Nigeria. That's the first thing we first ask about share. Are you getting me now?
Yeah.
Share is found in 1936 in Nigeria. In,
Okay.
in Nigeria. First operate in Southeast region of Nigeria, Southeast region, not the Southeast region. But they first found oil in Southeast region, that's Imo and Enugu state, before the coastal region. You understand me now? Now,
Yeah.
let's ask ourselves, since 1936 to the date, what is the benefit of share in the region? That's the one thing we need to ask ourselves. You understand me?
Yes.
They have license, what they call license in 1956 to exploit oil outside the nation. 1956. Now, this share of a thing, I have to say, which country have share? It's a question we just ask ourselves. Share was found by the Royal Dutch family. Who is the Royal Dutch family? You understand me? The royal
From
Dutch family is the royal family
England.
of eh?
You mean from
Hello?
England, right? From England, from
Yes, yes,
United
yes,
Kingdom.
yes. Yes, they are the owner. The royal Dutch family is the England family. Is the Queen of Elizabeth family. They are the royal Dutch family. Now, they started looting the nation, the region, dry. 1937 to date. How 1937 to now is more than 100 and something years, not mistakenly. Almost
Yeah.
100 years. Are you getting me now? Now, till now, what is the benefit of share in the region? No benefit we have found. If for us hearing that our parents say that they should leave before the quarter of the year, it's not a surprise thing. I will not come very early to it. You understand me? So we'll come very late to it. You understand me? Because they could have lived in out of our region since back days. You understand? This is 88 years of share in our region. 88 years of share operating in the region of Biafrans. Now, these 88 years of their operating in the region, they have not done anything in the coast in the Biafran region. The office of share is in Abuja, Lagos. That is where the head of office is in Abuja and Lagos. Now, if the office is in Abuja and Lagos, now what is the benefit of those that have the oil and that operate that's stealing? What's the benefit? This is our PSF come very late for asking them to leave. They could have leave our region for day back because we have it's just like they say a we need to be cut off. Yeah, you understand me? Share did not bear fruit in our region. They did not bear any fruit in our region. They are bearing fruit in Lagos. Okay, now they are building the second eco city in Lagos. Ask yourself, where are they getting the money to fund the second eco city in Lagos? It's for the share. You understand me? It's for the share. Because share is the father of oil companies in Nigeria. Share push other oil companies out. Share have license than other oil companies in Nigeria. We know that we have Ajib from I think Ajib is from US. We have Total is for France. These people are the one losing the nation drive with the operation in the region of Biafra. We cannot actualize our freedom because they are stealing our money. They are losing our money to give to the zoo government to buy arms, to buy catapult and bullet to shoot to fight us. You understand me? Now, our PS made a good step by asking them to leave the region because we are not benefiting for them in the region. No benefit. They are looting us dry. With the activities of share in the region, that is why the atrocity is still going on in Nigeria. People don't know about it. Now they have left the region. I hope they do not come back again because we have not benefited anything for them. And we would not be, we will never benefit anything for them because we from day one. Because if they think the one they are working for Nigeria, they are working for Biafra, they are working for the region. By now, Ogoni cleaning started in 1950 something. Ogoni cleaning started before the Civil War. That's where it started. Ogoni cleaning. To the date, there's this call about Ogoni cleaning. To the date, that is what caused Sir Ruwa to go into crisis with Nigeria. If you don't know about Sir Ruwa case, Sir Ruwa no just go into crisis about Nigeria. Sir Ruwa said they have polluted our water, our fish. That is the angle of Sir Ruwa. They have pollute. What is the pollution? Is the share. Share is the one that pollute the water and the sea. Right? You understand the game now? Now, if share is working according to they are working that they are putting even though it's 10% or 20% money according to the way they're stealing the money, where they're stealing the resources, by now the coastal region will be developed. You understand me? Do you know what they call 10% in 88 years? They have still in our land 88 years. 10% of 1 trillion, 10%. You know what it is? Now they are not putting anything in our region. Now I'm very, very happy for the PM to be a agenda that they will all live and they are all living. They will live one after the other. Nothing will remain. If they don't want peace, if they don't want Biafra to exist in peace, we will exist in peace. That's the two things involved in it. Thank you for now.
Thank you so much. Like you said, you have spoken very, very well because the history that you just gave to us is very, very important because some of us don't have the history of how long they have operated in the country, and the owner of the share as a company, if you can see now from this from the exposition of our brother just made, it is very clear that people that own the country are the one who own the share, because the country Nigeria is like a business center of British. So they are the owner of the company, which is called share. But as it stands, like what PM says, that when we have our territory secured, that if they want to work, do business with us, they will come. Then we give them conducive environment for them to operate. So meaning that we are not going to pick fight with them, but they have to follow the instructions and everything. The activities of share will be very, very, only it will be strictly for business, because now Britain are mining oil for free. They are taking oil for free. Like I said in our previous broadcast, that if we don't have any oil in our region, we would be begging them to accommodate us in the country in Nigeria. But now they are pushing us to stay together, not because they love us, but because of the oil. That oil have bring us doom. There's nothing good have benefited from that oil. And God did not make any mistake by putting oil in our region. So the oil in our region shouldn't be a problem to us. It is a blessing, but they have turned our blessing to pains. I thank God for PM. Like you made mention that he did not start it on time. We need to understand that it is one step after another. We don't have what it takes before to even question shell. We can only, air our grievances, or maybe go to the street with the placards, writing. You just put maybe a carbon sheet and say that you are protesting about share. Do you understand? So
Yeah,
it is no longer that method. Time to protest is no. There's no time for that. Nobody is talking about protest against Shell, protest against oil company. No, it is now government of Biafra talking, direct address, giving them the information what Biafrans want, which is stop the operation, go back to your country, so that whatever happened to you, nobody will hold us responsible. You understand? Nobody will blame PM, nobody will blame the Biafran government in exile. The time he gave to them is very, very civil. And anybody who I don't think Share will kick against it, because it is very, very obvious. And one thing with the white people is that they know your ability, they know your capability before they listen to you. This is another evidence, another proof to verify the strength of the Biafran government in exile. They cannot, white people will not listen to you if you have nothing to back what you say. So they already know the activities of the federal government in exile. That is why they are paying attention and listening to the command and instruction given to them by the federal government in exile. Like you said, we pray that they will not come back. We don't need to pray, my brother, because God have already answered the prayer. God have answered the prayer that by giving the Biafrans what it takes to protect themselves. Forget about the threats, the gala gala. Some of Nigerian security agents are doing just to show themselves and all that. It is good to do gala gala, but like I said before, when you talk about freedom of Biafra, it does not mean hatred to anybody. What it means is putting things in order, making sure that everything and every region have their peace, have your freedom, be like what other countries are. Only Africans, once you hear that any country in Europe is giving visa, everybody is facing there to go there to do one or two things. Yesterday, I was asking myself, all the accounts, foreign bank account that Nigerian people keep on opening abroad, how many foreigners have foreign bank account in Nigeria banking system? None, because they know the country reserve is zero, nothing to show for it, nothing to even prove that you are one of the countries, in the world, or even have good economy. Today, if you put money in your bank, I don't know if you have I don't know if you experience this, because this I'm talking out of my experience. If you put money in account in Nigeria today, let's say you want to save just little money, maybe 500,000 for example, okay? Every blessed day, that account, if I don't know how they charge it, some people say that is by weekly or daily, but that money will keep on depreciating. I'm talking about now. There's no bank in Nigeria now where you put money and say that this money will yield interest. There's nothing like interest anymore in banking system of Nigeria. People are not even saying this thing. No, I'm telling you now. Nobody is talking about it. Nobody. It is normal. Everybody kept quiet. It is normal. When I was in my secondary school, before tertiary institution, banking system, if you put money in the account, then you were expecting some interest. Do you understand? Then bank will tell you, do you want to deposit fixed deposit? That fixed deposit, it will yield interest. But now both fixed deposit, your savings, your current account, everything, they will charge you money for alert. They are charging money for maintenance fee. If you put money in Nigerian bank today, if you put 500, leave that 500 in 3 months, it will never ever be 500 anymore. It will go down to 300, maybe 300,000 or 400,000, depending on how long you keep it there. So the economy is going down. It is not a surprise. Everybody is packing their bags, running away. Yesterday, the news have it that Madu Chima, welcome, my brother, welcome. I think this maximum is one that I was seeking for last time, right? When he was not, I think I was calling him, but he was not online anymore.
It's my
Maduchema,
channel.
are you a huh?
It's my channel. My second channel.
Okay, your second, okay, no wonder. Okay, we are not this one. Okay, so like as I was saying, people need to understand that economy of the country is going crazy, going crazy, going crazy. So if you have any money in the account, please look for a better thing to invest it on, because the way things are going, hmm, and I'm foreseeing something what happened before, where they seize Igbo people's money in the past, that they may do that thing again this time around, because even in Kano State, yes, they do have it that ShopRite is packing their loads as well. So this is the one we know. We don't know the one that happened that we don't even know. Many foreign companies are moving to Ghana, Cameroon, and other neighboring countries. So that is it. Thank you, my
Now,
brother.
okay, thank you. Our PM, are you hearing me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Our
Chibike, you're welcome. You're welcome.
our PM never said that he will not work with any company. That is mine.
Yes.
He said that
Yes.
he will make agreement with the Biafra government in exile, not with the Nigerian government. I'm telling you, you cannot be working in our territory, making agreement with Nigeria. It's impossible. You must pay homage to the Biafra, not to Nigeria. I'm telling you, you must pay tax to Nigeria, not Nigeria. Now, the Shah is paying tax to Nigeria. But to want Nigeria to come against us, that is the game. Now, it will never work like that. Do you share as you talk about any company in the Biafran territory? You must work with the Biafran government in Nigeria, not with the Nigerian government. Like you make a word that people are pushing to Ghana. Yes, a country that is a tree that is about to fall, a tree that's about to fall. Whoever was content the tree will come down and relocate. It's like that. The country is falling. Okay, what do you think that will make an investment to do in Nigeria? What do you think so?
Your
What,
voice is breaking. Your audio is not all that clear anymore.
let me come. It's crack. Let me go up and come in again.
Okay, 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 okay. So while we are waiting for our brother to come back, we need to understand that what PM is doing is what he should do. Exactly what you should do as a prime minister. And people who are not in the same spirit with Biafran government in exile are fighting him, but that is a strong, should I say, a fight of a dying horse. You cannot do anything about it because people have spoken. It's not all about PM. It is about Biafrans, and they have spoken, and you can't do anything about it. We also have this information to pass to people who are sabotaging the invest. Just listen.
Biafra will cut now. All the enemies of Biafra, see what you are going to use their house to do. Rochas, Okorochas had as a prison charge. Just the oath of Carlos house. We be general police headquarters. Nayawodo and Ike Perumado's house will be our football stadium. Eze Awo and Ikele's house will be the place we be teaching our animal like goats, cow, sheep, dog, everything. Only Nadi and some other foods. Their house. We will use it to where we keep our animals food. All these people I mentioned, they are the enemies of Biafra. They are very stupid. They're like a parent, but they don't know what they are doing. And whether they like it or not, Biafra is sure.
Yeah, this our sister it is quite funny, but he said a lot of truth in this clip. People that are sabotaging the Biafran struggle, you are sabotaging the freedom of your people. When the freedom finally comes, what will be your fate? What will be your fate? That's what they don't check. Like what Ijele speak, because this game made mention of Ijele speak and Tony Nadia and others saying that when Biafra come, they will use their house to train animals, to keep animals food and other, which is quite funny. But that is goes to show that Biafrans are not happy with those who are, sabotaging the effort of those who want to get the freedom. Many of them just want to, get fame, and then they choose to go other way. But as you are doing that, ask yourself what will be the outcome of your actions when the freedom finally comes. It is better you kept quiet, even if you don't have anything to say. Must you talk? That's the question. Must you talk? You don't need to talk, but people are using the using the agitation to make jokes. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Thank you. Like I'm saying,
Yes, you are saying something.
it is crack. I don't know why it's.
No, now is okay. Now is okay. I think it's from network.
Maybe. Now, what I'm saying is that it's not working for all. Now, going to Ghana is just a understand me? I think how 2 years, head of it's doing this in Ghana. Due to what? The government is not working. How can you call yourself the giant of Africa? You don't have people, you don't have electricity, you don't have security. What makes you the giant of Africa?
That is it. Chibike, okay, my brother, the person that was looking for that there was this Chibike.
Okay.
Chibike, you say good morning, see in Singapore. So you are in Singapore.
What makes you the giant of Africa? What makes a country secure or what makes a country clean is called electricity, good light, and light and wood. These three things is what the major thing of a nation.
Yes.
Now, you are calling investors to come to Nigeria and invest where you don't have street light, you don't have electricity, you don't have the good, your security is fake. The whole FCT is on the run due to insecurity. FCT, Federal Capital Territory is on the run. You understand me? If the Federal Capital Territory is on the run, what do you expect the state to do? If the event cannot stand, will the shoulder stand?
It's a question we ask.
It has happened in Yemen. You know, they are
Even because it's not a surprise thing. Because I need to come to see the corruptness of the country. That's why they are still there to play. This is the corruptness of the country. Because British feed in people's tears.
yes.
When you are in pain, that's where British feel. I come to India, watch allow them all this. Yes, I mean. Nigeria, hello?
No, I can hear you very clear. I can hear you very clear.
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hey, you can't hear me. Even your video is
Hello?
frozen. Your video is frozen. How will I do it now?
Hello?
I can hear you. I can hear you. Can you see me? If you can see me, you need to go out and come back again. Your network is not strong at all. Your network is not strong at all. Go back and come. I am not hearing you again. Okay. Your video is video hands. GBK, are you a content creator? Are you a content creator? Are you a content creator? No, no good sound. Oh, what is the problem? GBK is saying no good sound. So can you hear me, GBK? Can you hear me? What is the problem? Please, if you can hear me, let me know. Let me switch to my another network. GBK, are you a content creator? Hello? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? How will I know? Let me play. Hello?
Hello?
The sound is very clear now.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? How will I
The
know?
sound is
Let me
very
play.
clear. So what are you complaining about it? No good sound. Chibi said no
Hello?
good sound.
Hello?
Yeah.
The
The sound is very okay. I can hear myself here. I can hear myself. Okay, while we are waiting for our brother to join back, I will like to share with you this information. Add me again. You have to follow the link that I shared to you. So I have already accepted it. I've already accepted it, but it's not. You are not coming up. My network is quite strong. I have tested my stream here, and it shows that everything is perfect. I don't know why it's giving you headache there. I really don't know why. I really don't know why. Chibike, if you're a content creator, drop your contacts. Send me your email so I will hook up with you. If you're a content creator, drop it. But I think you have gone again. So the information according to our PM platform, he said that a Nigerian army committed suicide. That information is, I think, is a breaking news today. It is not a very send news out because it has been happening all this while. It has been happening all this while. Very, very sad. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, you are back. Hello, can you hear me? Your network is very, 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 very problematic. Very, very problematic.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hello.
I
Yes,
think
I can
my
hear
network.
you. Just have some. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello. 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 Can you hear me? Okay, guys, I will end the live stream now. We will see again tomorrow. I will be live again tomorrow. The network is disturbing the broadcast. Unfortunately, we couldn't finish what we wanted to finish today. So I hope to see you again tomorrow. Please like the video, comment, and share. Like I was saying before the network started disturbing. Nigerian a Nigerian army committed suicide, which is very, very bad. He's a young guy for that matter. I can't post it on my community because it will become problem with the platform. So if you want to watch it, please go to PM Twitter handle, then you see it there. Thank you for your time. See you on my next video. Please, Chibike, I would like to hear from you since you say you're a content creator, but you are not. You don't last in my live stream. You only come and just view and go. So there's no way I can get your contacts at the moment. Thank you guys. See you on my next video. Bye bye for now.